Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard.
Yeah, I figured I wanted to make Denver omelet. Checking the temp, make sure it fits, hot enough. Blackstone. Gotta have that. Put a little oil down. No, we don't want nothing to stick now. Gotta get that oil in there. Spread it out. Yeah, spread it. Spread it. Yes, sir. Where the eggs at? Come on, brother. Where the eggs? There we go. Yeah, you beat it. Yeah, not too hot. Not too hot. Looks like that upper part's kind of on the hotter side, but we'll work with it now. Yeah, I like my vegetables a little on the raw or crispier side when I'm doing this. Let's put some onions on there. Yeah, get the onions on there. Get it, yeah, spread it around. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy now. Get where the bell peppers at. Oh, we got some ham. Yes. Throw that ham in there. Like, hey, I could use more ham. I could use more. Oh, there's the bell peppers. Oh, the red. Yes. A little sweeter. But sometimes you want a little bit of bitterness. So, hey, break out the green. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Oh, man. Yeah, get that in there. Just, don't be stingy. Don't waste it. And then put that cheese on it. Come on. Don't hold back on the cheese now. Where you at? Get back here. Come here. Now we all want some cheese. Is he on break or what? Come on, man. Give me. Where's the cheese? Oh, there it is. There. Yeah. Get in there. Yeah. We're going to make that Denver omelet today, buddy boy. Yeah, just let it sit there. Let it percolate a bit. Come on, fold them sides up. I see that little piece of ham up there jumping around because it's too hot over there. Over. Yeah, fold it. Yeah. Yep, there you go. Don't let them fall back. Yeah. Throw the last back in there. Yep.
Yes.
Ooh, man. I can't wait to have this. Yeah, flip it. Oh, it broke. Don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it. No mistakes were made. Hey, we can get better. Don't worry about it. Times are tough. You got to make do. Oh, man. Yeah. Just let it sit there.
Put it on.
Mama Sean sending me a text while I'm sitting there trying to cook. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah, I can't see, bruh. I can't see. Bruh. Where'd he go? See, you can't find good help nowhere. Where you at, bruh? Bring it back. I wasn't done looking at it. You didn't even show. You know what? That's why you ain't hardly got that many subscribers now. Look what you doing. Bro, bring it back to the camera. What are you doing? Sound like you're over there eating a bag of chips. What's going on? You ain't gonna get no tips.
Oh,
for
this
this.
is where we're
There
at.
it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's what
Yes.
you were doing? Okay. All right. All right.